Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Birkenstock cleaner is probably one of the most essential accessories for any devoted Birkenstock wearer, ensuring your favorite sandals not only maintain their pristine appearance but also prolong their lifespan, making them a worthwhile investment for years of comfortable and stylish wear. Number 5. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner Kit. It's designed to bring your favorite shoes back to life, no matter the material. This powerful cleaner works wonders on fabric, leather, and even delicate suede and nubuck. Keep all your sneakers looking pristine. Worried about scuffs and dirt on your white shoes? This kit is your go-to solution for restoring that bright, clean look. It comes with a specially formulated cleaner and a brush, providing everything you need for a thorough clean in one convenient package. Achieve professional results at home with minimal effort. Just a few simple steps will make a significant difference to your footwear's appearance. Our formula is tough on dirt but gentle on your shoes. You can trust it to clean effectively without causing damage. What we like? This kit offers a comprehensive solution for all your footwear cleaning needs. It tackles various materials effectively, ensuring a thorough clean. If you have a mix of shoe types and want a single, convenient solution, this is the one for you. What people say. It's easy to use, lifts dirt quickly, and makes my shoes look almost brand new again. This stuff is easy to use. I mixed a couple capfuls with 16 ounces of warm water in a bowl, gave it a good mix in the bowl, dripped the brush that it came with, and started carefully scrubbing the solution onto the boots. Effective cleaning. The Pink Miracle formula is impressive. It works well on a range of stains and marks, leaving shoes looking fresh and vibrant. Even older, stubborn stains seem to lift with a bit of elbow grease and the right technique. Number 4. Markk Shoe Cleaning Kits. Discover the ultimate solution for keeping your favorite footwear looking pristine. Our cleaning kits are designed for deep cleaning and effortless maintenance. Choose from our essential or starter kits, perfect for any sneaker enthusiast. Get everything you need for a thorough clean. Our starter box offers a comprehensive set for comprehensive care. It's the ideal way to begin your shoe cleaning journey. Experience the power of our deep cleaning solution. It effectively tackles dirt and grime, restoring your shoes to their former glory. Maintaining your sneakers has never been easier. Our kits provide a simple yet effective way to ensure they always look their best. Trust in the quality and effectiveness of Markk products. Invest in the longevity and appearance of your valuable footwear. What we like? Experience a professional level clean with this specialized solution. It's designed for a deep clean that revitalizes your sneakers. If you're serious about sneaker care and want the best results, this is your go-to choice. What people say. It does an amazing job removing dirt and stains, even on shoes that looked impossible to clean. The solution is gentle but very effective, and it works well on different materials. This cleaner gently but powerfully lifts away dirt and stains, restoring the original allure of my sneakers. The product has never caused discoloration or damage to any of my sneakers, which is a testament to its high-quality formula. Truly remarkable the stain-removing capabilities. I bought the basic starter kit and did 24 pairs of shoes in 2 nights. Some of which were my beater shoes that see grease, paint, mud, car polish, oil, etc. that I had not cleaned, washed, or wiped off in years. It didn't matter. This stuff made them look great again. After 24 pairs cleaned, I still have about 1/4 of the bottle left. Number 3. Rocket Pure Natural Foot and Shoe Deodorizer Spray. Are you struggling with persistent foot odor? It's time to reclaim your confidence with a natural solution. Our powerful spray is formulated with essential oils to effectively eliminate odors. It tackles the source of the smell, leaving your feet and shoes fresh. Enjoy the invigorating scent of mint with every use. This natural deodorizer provides a pleasant and long-lasting freshness. We are proud to manufacture this product in the USA. You can trust in the quality and care put into its creation. Simply spray it on your feet or inside your shoes for instant odor control. It's a convenient way to keep your footwear smelling great. This versatile spray works wonders on both smelly feet and shoes. Keep one handy for all your odor-fighting needs. What we like? This spray uses natural essential oils to combat foot and shoe odor. It leaves a refreshing mint scent without harsh chemicals. If you prefer natural products and are looking for a gentle yet effective odor solution, this is perfect for you. What people say. After a week of spraying, the shoes are almost completely odor-free with a very faint minty smell, but mostly smelling like how odor-free shoes should. The tea tree smell is just strong enough to know it's working, without overpowering the room. This natural foot and shoe deodorizer spray works well in eliminating odors and keeping shoes fresh. The blend of essential oils gives it a pleasant, natural scent that is not overpowering. Number 2. SweatX Extreme Odor Spray, Victory Scent. Are you struggling with persistent odors that just won't go away? Especially from your shoes and gym clothes? We have the perfect solution for you. Introducing SweatX Extreme Odor Spray, your new go-to for freshness. This multi-purpose deodorizer works wonders without needing a wash. It's ideal for tackling tough smells in your athletic shoes and workout apparel. Keep your gear smelling fresh, no matter how intense your activity. Experience the invigorating Victory scent that leaves a pleasant and lasting fragrance. It's a refreshing aroma that signifies a job well done. This convenient 8 fluid ounces bottle is perfect for your gym bag or home. Enjoy long-lasting odor control whenever and wherever you need it. Don't let odors hold you back. With this spray, you can ensure your items remain fresh and odor-free. It's the ultimate solution for active lifestyles. What we like. Tackle the toughest odors with this powerful deodorizer. It's not just for shoes but also great for gym clothes. If you need an extreme odor solution for active lifestyles and want a convenient, no-wash option, consider this. What people say. No more stinky sports bags. We spray down the kiddos' gear maybe 2 times a month because it's so effective it doesn't need it any more frequently. It doesn't leave any weird residue. Best odor eating spray I've used. This spray does help to reduce cleat odor. Dries quickly. Number 1. Rocket Pure Natural Foot and Shoe Deodorizer Spray. Are you struggling with persistent foot odor? It's time to experience a refreshing change. Our unique formula harnesses the power of essential oils to naturally eliminate odors. Say goodbye to embarrassing smells and hello to confidence. This versatile spray works wonders on both your feet and your shoes. Keep everything smelling fresh and clean, wherever you go. Enjoy the bright and uplifting scent of lemon with every use. It's a natural way to invigorate your senses. Crafted with care in the USA, you can trust the quality and effectiveness. Experience the difference of a premium deodorizer. Enjoy long-lasting freshness and eliminate odor-causing bacteria. It's the simple solution for happy, healthy feet. What we like. Enjoy a naturally fresh scent with this deodorizer. It's formulated with essential oils for a clean and pleasant aroma. If you like a bright, citrusy fragrance and want a natural way to keep your shoes smelling great, this is an excellent pick. What people say. It works wonders at keeping my feet and shoes fresh all day long. It's so easy to use, just a quick spray, and it dries fast without leaving any residue. This stuff works great either directly on feet or in shoes. It is a very potent lemon verbena smell and doesn't seem to just mix with the awful shoe smell like most others do, but actually mask it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.